Hello everyone. Today I went to the market and bought a piece of beef. I added salt and pepper to the beef. Then I fried it in a pan. In just 5 minutes, I had a quick and economical meal to eat with white rice. It's so easy, isn't it? Please like the video, share it, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Thank you.